Hi, this is Ramanaya, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Guntur Engineering College. Today we are discussing about the topic Unit 1, Lecture 4, Simple Stresses and Strains. Previous lecture we are already discussing about the topics what is stress, what is strain, what are the formulas, what are the relations between Young's modulus and bulk modulus, and what are the relations in between Young's modulus, bulk modulus, and modulus of rigidity are already explained. Today we are mainly discussing about the topic problematic orientation. First problem, example 1, a steel rod of 20 mm diameter and 300 mm long is subjected to an axial pull of 30 kilonewtons. Determine the tensile stress and elongation of the rod if a capital E is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square. This is the problem. Given data here, diameter D is given here 20, diameter D is given 20 mm, length of rod capital L is equal to 300 mm, axial pull, that means load P is equal to 30 kilonewtons. 30 kilonewtons is divided into newtons, that means 30 into 10 to the power of 3 newtons. Young's modulus are given by capital E is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square. First of all, in this problem, to find out the tensile stress. Tensile stress formula sigma T is equal to load by cross sectional area. Here load is axial load 30 kilonewtons, and cross sectional area formula pi by 4 into diameter square, that means pi by 4 into 20 square. 20 means diameter 20 mm. Finally solution 95.5 Newton per mm square. From the Hooke's law, already we are discuss Hooke's law, Young's modulus E is equal to stress by strain, stress sigma by strain E. Finally strain is equal to stress by Young's modulus. Stress that is equal to 95.5 Newton per mm square by strain 2 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square. Finally the answer is 0.000475. This is the answer, mm's. Strain E is equal to change in length by original length, that means delta L by L. Finally elongation delta L is equal to strain E into length L. Finally 0.004775 into 300. Finally the total elongation delta L is equal to 0.14325 mm. This is the answer about above problem. Next, Another problem. A load of 5 kilonewtons is to be raised with the help of a steel wire. Find the minimum diameter of the steel wire. If the stress is not to exceed 100 mn per meter square, given at a load P is equal to 5 kilonewtons, already given. 5 into, it's divided into newton for newtons, 5 into 10 to the power of 3 newtons. Stress sigma is equal to 100 mn meter square, that means 100 newton for mm square. You know, stress is equal to load by cross sectional area. Cross sectional area is equal to load by stress. Finally find out the area of area. A is equal to P by sigma, that is equal to 5 into 10 to the power of 3 by 100, that is equal to 50 mm square. Finally area A is equal to 5 by 4 d square, that is equal to 50 mm square. Finally d is equal to d square is equal to 50 into 4 by pi, that is equal to 63.66. Finally d is equal to 7.98 mm. Here only to find, here in this problem, to find out the diameter of the wire. Next problem. A load of 400 newtons has to be raised at the end of a steel wire if the unit stress in the wire must not exceed 80 newton per mm square. What is the minimum diameter required? What will be the extension of 3.5 meter length of wire? Take E is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 5 newton per mm square. Here load P is given, that is equal to 4000 newtons. Stress is given, sigma is equal to 80 newton per mm square. Length of wire L is equal to given, 3.5 meters is converted into mm's, 3500 mm's. Young's modulus E is equal to given, 2 into 10 to the power of 5 newton per mm square. Area required A is equal to P by sigma. Here hence therefore sigma is equal to P by A. Finally A is equal to P by A. P by A means 4000 by 80, that is equal to 50 mm square. Area formula A is equal to 5 by 4 d square, that is equal to 50 mm square. Finally D is equal to root of 50 into 4 by pi. Finally D is equal to small d is equal to 7.98 mm. Extension of wire delta L is equal to previous formula PL by AE, where E is equal to sigma by E, that means sigma, that means area by cross sectional area, load by cross sectional area, and strain E is equal to change in length by original length. Finally delta L is equal to 4000 into 3500 by 50 into 2 into 10 to the power of 5. Therefore change in length delta L is equal to 1.4 mm. Next important problem. When a wooden tie is 75 mm wide, 150 mm deep and 1.5 long, it is subjected to an axial pull of 45,000 newtons. The elongation of the member is found to be 0.6380 mm. Find the Young's modulus for the material. Here in this problem, the given data available, length of the bar L is equal to 1.5 meters, converted into meters 1500 mm. Width of bar B is equal to given 75 mm. Depth of the bar D is equal to 150 mm. Axial pull P is equal to 45,000 newtons. Young's elongation delta L is equal to 0.6380 mm. Finally, area B, width of the bar into depth of the bar, that is equal to 75 into 150, that is equal to 11250 mm square. Young's modulus E is equal to PL by A into delta L. 45,000 into 1500 by 11250 into 0.6380. Finally, capital E is equal to Young's modulus is find out 9404.38 Newton per mm square. The four above problems are most important problems. Thank you one and all.